I'm going to be opening up a box of 93 Upper Deck Hobby Only Series 2 box of Upper Deck. See if we can find the Jeter. I bought this, I don't know, about a year ago at the auction house I work at. And I had it on eBay, and everybody was offering me like $20 for it, and I'm like, no. They were going for like 100, 100 quarter, 100 and a half. And 20 bucks ain't gonna cut it. So I figured I'm gonna have the glory, and hopefully I can find a Jeter. So let's see what we can find. Now, the kid of me that would have bought this 14 when I was 14 would be jealous that I was able to buy a whole box of Upper Deck like this. I think they were like $36, $45 a box. So, let's see what we can find. Wow. Boy, are they tight. And they're bricked. They get real easy. Calvin Murray. Oh, we're going to do this back and forth. Oh, that ain't going to be fun. Bernie Williams. Cecil. Jeff Farrell. There's Ripken. I mean, I worked in Maryland, and he's a god down there. I never thought Ripken was that big until I went down to Maryland. They love him north of Baltimore. He's like a god. He could do anything he wants down there. Todd Worrell. Oh, that's a nice looking Ivan. A little bad there on the corner, but we'll look him up later. Celebrating 5 years. It's Upper Deck. I loved Upper Deck as a kid. Stadium Club, not so much. Finest was just insane. Cliff Floyd. Phil Hyatt. They're not that bad. They're just peeling right off. No paper loss. Kruger. At least I don't have to worry about SPs. That's a Joey Bell. Albert Bell. Joey Bell. It's a Bell. Wow. Boy, are they tight. Michael Moore. Ron Jordan. Ricky Jordan. Jeffries. Ugh. Matt Williams. Robbie Thompson. Nothing so far. Nothing crazy. What else? Got 2 shots at it. Missed it. I think when I was a kid, I might have had like maybe 10 Jeter rookies. And then the market fell apart, and then I didn't care anymore. Some duplication. Yeah. Not much there. It's a shame that they don't make baseball cards anymore. I always liked Upper Deck. Ty Jones. Dmitri Young. I never proved anything. Walt Weiss. 2 strawberries. That's what I need. Strawberry. Jeff Conine. That's a pretty pitch. Wow. Ugh. Let's see. Vince Coleman. Mike Neal. Tyrone Hill. Wow. Cecil. I don't know how I put up with this as a kid. Flipping cards every which way. One gone. That's Sosa? Yeah, Sosa. Delgado. That looks alright. I'll put him to the side. Might not even get a Jeter out of this box. So, David Wells, Mike Kelly, another Robbie Thompson, Jeter, not Jeter, Jeffries. Another Delgado. I could live with that. Kevin Young. Reamer. McGuire. Might be a Delgado box. Yeah. Downhill. Ooh, this one doesn't want to go. Like Neil. Boggs. Fred McGriff should be in a Hall of Fame. Look how small his head is. Erosion. Not so much. Wow, that one's plastered. Yeah, that one actually got paper on it. Benji Gill. Ray Langford. Mark Grace. Moss. 23 to first. 21 to first year. Fernando. Halmors. Mike Robinson. McCarthy. Laraga. Bedrosian. Andre Dawson. It's a good looking set. Cards are nice and sharp. There we go. Now here's the question. Can I get them out in one piece? Easy doesn't. Yes. There he is. That's who we were looking for. Some edge chipping. There's a little bit of fluff on the top. But there he is. Pack Fresh Jeter. Now here's the question. Pull 2 Delgados. Can I pull 2 Jeters? Let's find out. Cena. Girardi. Inky. And I still have most of the box left. I still have, let's see, 9, 18, 24, 25 packs left. Huh. I don't know what the blue thing is. Okay. It's just a Peter Gammon. Jose Offerman. Mercurion. Glauser. Martinez. No Griffies yet. No Nolan Ryans. J-Bell. Jim Abbott. Some paper laws. I don't even remember him. Dean Palmer. Todd Zeal. Two Jim Abbotts. Jared Dalton. He's no longer with us. Well, he never was with me, but he's gone. Wow, this one feels really thick. Bags. Hey, there's the big hurt when we get to him. Put him to the side. Future Heroes Gonzalez. That to the side. Sheffield. Instead of Jordan Gwynn. We got here Mike Kelly. Jason Deere. Won't go. Charles Johnson, catcher, Miami. Cordell Perez. Hey, Smallhead Barry Bonds. And he really didn't hit for much. 24, 30. Another Boggs. I mean, this box repeats. I'd be happy with it. See something about the Jeter. Some of them are showing paper loss on the back. No, I don't see it. There's edge wear. Another Gonzalez. Oh, come off. Elino De Shields. Mark Newfield. Mariners? Yep, Mariners. Guire. On Samuel. Yount. Second Tom Hinkle. Hinky. Bobby Bonilla. God, I love that guy. Oh, come on. Wow. I showed it who was boss. Yeah, and it shows me with two bent corners. Travis Fryman. Hey, there's a Manny. Looks good on the front. No paper loss. Here's the real question. What's it going to look like when I take the back off? No paper loss on the back. Put that one up. Manny. No dreads. Looking clean. Pocket. Really good looking pocket. What else we got? Magadon. Albert Bell. Milt Thompson trying to figure out which end of the pen to use. Fernandez. John Smiley. Morel. Fry. Alomar. Nigel Wilson. All right, half the box to go. Derek Wallace. What a tease. Rockies. Chipper. Trammell. That's double. David Wells. Willie Blair. Jim Gott. Fryman. Myers. What the hell is his bat? Whatever. Michael Moore. Eric Davis. Couldn't put the picture on the other guy. Justice. Douglas. Let's see what else we got. Yeah. This is where it's going to help that I have fingernails. This is why I have them. There we go. Cliff Floyd. Huh. I loved that card as a kid. Oh, right there. Just fluff. Ray Langford. Yount again. Cone. Another Bedrosian. When is that, like number 3 or 4 Bedrosians? Ventura before he got his skull pounched in by Ryan. Yeah. I got it to go a little. There we go. Almost. Kyler Murray. If I would have known that, I would just rip the whole thing open. Another Bell. That's like number 3. Tartar Bowl. Yeah. Daryl Boston. Another Manny rookie. Ooh, this one's going to be tight. I'm going to have to break out the fingernail for this one. No paper loss. Gotta love it. It's got a sweet looking card too. Paper loss in the back. Just a little bit of fluff up top. Pretty nice. Another Lucina, another Ripken. Hartford County God. Kevin Young. Where's the Ken Griffey Jr.? That's what I want to see. I want to see a Griffey. Ah, the mighty checklist. I don't know my own strength. Holy pack opens. Oof. These are worse than Gypsy. Hey, there's Demand. There's Bo. Corners nailed on it though. There. Another Mark Newford. Offerman. Kevin Seitzer. There's Fig. Chili. The Big Cat. How's it going? All right, what's up? I just opened up some 93 Upper Deck. 93 Upper Deck. 93 Series 2 is a Jeter. I already pulled the Jeter. You should see what that card's bringing. If it's a 10, it's like 7,000. I have one. If you want one. Yeah, if you want. If you want an 89 Griffey, I'll give you one. So what's up? All right. Okay. See, whenever I look at my cards once, and that's the end of it. I never look at them again. Yeah, get your practice in. That's not too bad. Are they feeding you? Are they feeding you? Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. That's what normally was the tournaments when I was running the poker room in Maryland was $40 to get in, and payouts was like around like $500-$600 for first. Yeah. Yeah, you get slaughtered. Guys like that, those are easy to find. Yeah, then you just pound them. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's how it usually works with those guys. We used to have those guys down in Maryland like that. The guy used to go in first hand, all in. He'd buy in for table max for like 300, all in first hand. Didn't matter if he had 7-2 offsuit, he was always all in. And it was like that every hand. Hmm. Mm-hmm. No, I haven't played it. No, I haven't played cards since I was with you the last time, so. Yeah, you gotta go to Lake Charles. That's a 3-hour drive for you. 4-hour drive. No. And that's if you can get on a Pai Gow table. Philly? Where did you want to go? Oh, up there at Scranton. Yeah, I thought about going up there the other day. Well, you tell me when you want to go and I'll take you. I would prefer to go up to Mount Airy, but the problem is, are they going to have the Pai Gow table open? Well, usually the Pai Gow guys are going to be at night because that's when they're going to host to all the Asian players. So if you're going to go, you're going to have to go at night, but the problem is, do they still have enough dealers to actually deal? If they don't have a dealer, they're not going to open up the table. You got to be certified. Yeah, trust me, there's a lot of people that can't read poker hands. I know, I used to supervise them. Yeah, it's slightly different. Well, if they're going to be that stupid, you might as well just take all their money that you can off of them. Nah, that's stupid. Especially depending how many people. If it just, heads up and everybody got knocked out of the hand early, yeah. But if there's like 4 or 5 guys in and there's a possible royal on the board, nah, you gotta leave that alone. At least. Yeah, at least. Flush is always going to kill it straight, but yeah. Those are the fish. You can't scare off the fish. Yeah, that could be a problem. That's because he got kicked out of there a few times. You just gotta catch him. That's all you gotta do, just catch him. Yep. Yeah, that's some of it, but you still have to have the cards to win if you go down to the end. But I used to watch guys all the time. Just they didn't care about actually the money. I mean, I watched guys lose like 50, 60, 70,000 a night because they didn't care about the money. For them, it's just sucking out on the guy. We had one guy down in Maryland. That's all he would do the whole night. I mean, I was in charge of, I don't know, 5 or 6 cash tables at night, and he was always on the 2-5. And every half hour, I'd have to go back and get him another $1,000 worth of chips, worth of checks. Oh, you mean the white girl? She might have been part Asian, but she was mostly white chick. I was talking to her afterwards, and she hit that straight flush, and then she came back and lost the whole thing. Well, even when we were there, I told her, you should leave. You're up, and she's like, no, 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 I'll do it again. I'm like, no, I dealt long enough. I dealt cards long enough. As soon as you hit a big hand, you ain't gonna hit another big hand. You leave when you can. Yeah, well, that doesn't happen all the time. No, you're supposed to split them, but the thing is, it all depends what else you have in your hand. So if you don't have anything else, you just keep them as they are. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Or way against you. No, the last time I played with my brother, he didn't play the bonus the whole night. I told him not to play the bonus the whole night. And the one hand he had pocket, what was it, pocket fours or pocket eights? And the flop came whatever it was that he had for pocket on the freaking flop. He would have had four of a kind. And boy, was he angry with me. That would have been $2,000. I said, yeah, we've been sitting here for 10 hours playing. And see, they do 15, about 20 hands an hour. So that's, say, 20 hands an hour, it's $100 for the last 8 hours. You would have been still down, or roughly ahead. We were playing Texas Hold'em. You play against a dealer, and the problem is most of the time these dealers, they can't read a poker hand. So I mean, they pay out on pushes, and they pay out on losses. They push loses. Most of the time, most of them can't read a freaking hand. That's why I was always playing it. Yeah, and that's how. Pie Gout's fun. You at least have a 50-50 shot. It's almost 50-50. It would be 50-50 was it for the 5% VIG. The other one I want to get you to start playing, but we have to go down towards Chester or Atlantic City. And I don't know if you want to go down there. Would be Asian poker. Same thing as Pai Gow. You make a 1-card hand, a 2-card hand, and a 4-card hand. You got to win 2 out of 3. Yeah, I like that one better. Yeah, I mean, I had hands where you couldn't even tell how to even set the hand. I mean, I even watched the dealer, when I was dealing it for years, would have to break out the book every once in a while just to see how to set the hand. They couldn't set the hand. There is no right. No, there's no special payouts in that game. Yeah, the app was paying that.